Well, look at this. We're going a little different direction here. You guys recognize this creature? It's not a rat. It's not a chipmunk. It's not a mouse. This is a shrew, a tree shrew. Lives down in South America, lives in the tree. Well, why am I showing you this picture? Well, according to evolution today, this was your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandfather. Or maybe another couple of greats, I don't know. You say, what? Now, wait a minute. I thought you said the other day the evolution teaches that we came from an ape type or a monkey type creature. Well, that's actually what I was taught when I was young. But now they changed the story slightly. Now they say, no, we didn't come directly from the apes, but we came from an ape-type creature, and we all had the same ancestor. In other words, the same great-great-granddaddy. And this is the one they're showing today. Now, they change this all the time, but this is the most recent one I know of today. Well, how does that actually work? First of all, look at this picture right here. This is the evolutionary chart for human evolution. How many of you have seen that? Oh, most of you. It's in school books, museums, it's everywhere, all right? Well, we're going to look into this, some of these creatures. But I'm going to show it to you just a little bit different way. If you look up at the top of the left-hand corner, that is the tree shrew. According to evolution, over time, the tree shrew, right, some of them split off and went in their own way, and then these creatures evolved into their own line of animals called the lemurs. And then a little bit, another branch dropped off called the monkeys, another branch a little bit later called the apes. If you look at the ape thing, the first one is a gibbon. That's one of those long-arm apes that swings through the trees, and then in the middle, that's an orangutan, then a gorilla, then a chimpanzee. Remember those because we're going to talk about them in a little bit. And then up at the top, you see those creatures going across over to your right until it turns into man? Well, that's where evolution teaches that we actually came from. Well, we want to look into this idea. Was your great-great-great-great-grandmother a monkey? Was she? Or a monkey-type creature? Well, we're going to look in. What did they find? Why did they believe that we came from ape-type creatures? We're going to start off with the first one. Right on this side, that is Neanderthal man. We're going to call him caveman. Go a little farther back, we're going to a Java man or Homo erectus. A little farther back, we're going to Australopithecus or Lucy. A little farther back, we're going to Ramapithecus. A whole bunch of those that are really hard to say, but we're going to look at. What did they actually find? Why did they believe that we came from an ape-type creature?